Samtang gipasalig ni Gobernador Gwen Garcia nga walay pagpanakop nga mahitabo dinhi sa lalawigan sa Sugbo sa mga tawo nga dili magsul-ob og face mask.
I am calling on the PNP to make no such apprehensions. If you recall, there is operational control of the local government unit over the police.
Matod ni Gobernador Garcia, iyang pangayuon ang suporta sa Hunta Probinsyal nga i-adapt ang iyang executive order karong Lunes, pinasikad sa balaod nga Section 105 sa Local Government Code nga nagkanayon nga hangtod unom lang kabuwan ang emergency power sa Interagency Task Force atol sa mga pandemya. Human sa unom kabuwan, ang local government unit na ang magbuot sa mga polisiya nga ipatuman ni ini. Atol sa press conference, giklaro usab ni Gobernador Garcia nga ang iyang executive order nagkanayon nga optional ang pagsul-ob sa face mask. Buot ipasabot, wala siya nagmando nga wag tangon na ang pagsul-ob sa face mask kay iyang gihatag sa katawhan ang desisyon kung magpadayon ba sila pagsul-ob o dili sa mga open well-ventilated spaces.
Executive Order number 16, rationalizing the wearing of face masks within Cebu. Rationalizing. What does that mean? Well, in simple terms, to put some reason, some sense, some common sense, logic in the wearing of face masks in the province of Cebu. So, in well-ventilated and open spaces, the wearing of face masks shall be optional. It shall be a matter of choice. However, in crowded in outdoor areas when there are many people, it is highly encouraged to wear the face mask, but still it is not a requirement. It is highly encouraged. Those with symptoms, those who are unwell, fever, cough, or runny nose, are required to wear the mask at all times. We are just formalizing what is actually already happening. We've had huge crowds during rallies in the last campaign. Was anybody checking if they were all wearing face masks? Why did the DILG not instruct the PNP to apprehend all those that attended rallies who were not wearing face masks, or all those who stood by the roadsides in hundreds of thousands for the caravans not wearing face masks? If they suddenly make arrests at this time, then they will be put to task to explain why they never made arrests during the campaigns.
Giauhag usab ni Garcia ang ubang local government executives, ilabi na ang mga liga sa mga gobernador ug mga mayor nga barugan ang ilang gahom ug katungod ubos sa local autonomy.
I do not craft policy out of some capricious whim. Each and every decision is anchored upon existing laws and, more importantly, upon keen observation of the situation of my constituents here in Cebu, because I am accountable to them. I was elected by 1.4 million Cebuanos in this recent election. And so I answer to 1,478,436 Cebuanos. I am accountable for this mandate, and I must at all times decide in accordance with the greater good for the greater number.
Sa pangutana kung nainsulto ba siya sa pamahayag sa DILG Secretary nga dili sila mo honor sa iyang EO, mao kini ang iyang tubag.
Of course not. I am amused.
John Fredson Granada, Balita sa Sugbo.